What's up guys, it's Katie and today I'm just going to be vlogging me going back to school for the first day after spring break. So it is currently April 8th. Yeah, it's 7:15 on April 8th and I'm about to put some mascara on, but I am going to school today for the first time after spring break. I thought this would be a really fun vlog channel video to film because I wanted to. I think it is such a struggle to go back to school after you've had any sort of break, even like the weekend, like just motivating yourself to do it. I know a lot of people haven't had their spring break yet or already have, but I had mine last week and I went to the beach, so go watch my main channel video of me vlogging at the beach. It was so fun. But now we go back and there's nothing we can do about it, so I figured I would vlog. I've never brought my camera to school before and I'm doing that today and I'm very excited because I think it's gonna be really fun. Also, I'm filming a video for my main channel where my parents choose my outfits for the week, and today I have to wear a dress, so this will be very interesting. I've never ever worn a dress before to school and I really don't want to either, but I feel like I look like a little schoolgirl. Like, I don't look cute at all. I have to leave my house in like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna end this segment, but I'll see you guys either on the bus or at school. I was so rushed this morning. I thought I could set my alarm in for like 10 minutes normally, then I usually wake up like later because my outfit was already chosen, but turns out that's not the case. I have cheer tryouts today for my sophomore cheer team, like making JV. I did freshman sideline football cheer last year and tryouts for next year or this week, and I'm really nervous. My school is really serious about their cheer teams, and so you have to be good to make it, and I've been cheering for a really long time, so hopefully I do. I don't know, I'm just really nervous. But also I put self tanner on last night so I could look like I got super tan back from the beach, and it looks terrible. Look how splotchy my arm is. This is like not it. Look at my legs. My legs look tan until you get down here and realize that that is so white and that is so tan. Basically, it looks like I got botched spray tan because you don't go to the beach and come back looking like this. That's just not it. Like, look at the difference between my wrist and my hand. It's like pale white and brown. I don't know about this one, guys. I'm kind of scared to go back to school considering I look like an Oompa Loompa and I'm wearing a dress. So, good and fun and fresh. I hear my bus too. I also didn't get to pack a lunch because I was running late, so my lunch consists of Cheez-Its and Cocoa Puffs. Good morning. It's Monday and nobody wants to be here, and Katie's in a dress. I've never seen Katie in a dress, and she flashed me. I have shorts underneath. I'm vlogging our first day back from break today on my vlog channel, and then I'm vlogging my outfit for my main channel video. We're in first period, which is health, but we don't do anything in this class. Avery, your hair got so blonde. I know. It looks so good. Yeah.
Please watch the video.
No, Drew. Okay. Why is there a red dot? Wait, is there a red dot? Do you see a red dot? There's a red dot. It's what? Oh, it's face ID. But you can't see it here. But you can see it here. That's. Did you ever notice that? The devil. Say Ted. Oh, I'm watching TikToks.
What's up, vlog?
Definitely what I was going. I heard that.
Holy crap. You were at 40K like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. You're almost at 70K.
I know. What? No. I can literally show you.
My hand went for my kombucha.
Your what?
My hand went for my kombucha.
Kombucha? What's kombucha? You want to see the growth? You want to see it?
Burns my throat.
We're in second period now. Look here, not here.
I don't know
Here.
where that is.
Right there.
And then next Tuesday, is a quiz on this unit. We're not gonna have a unit test on this. Also, how are you guys doing on the quiz grade for Alex?
I finished.
I'm gonna get 100.
I got a 96.
It's a big grade. I cannot emphasize enough. We're gonna have to focus on reviewing. So, as part of that review, this is
UVA, UVB protection, you know. This guy.
He really bought sunscreen to school. Mateo's in all my vlogs.
Tell me.
You guys. The duo.
How you feeling?
Avery.
Oh god.
I hate when people do this because then it makes your face look so bad. Hi vlog, we're at lunch now.
Bust down.
Eating a sandwich.
My sandwich.
We both have one. Your Cheetos are as orange as me.
You're not orange.
I am orange. My legs are, look how bad it is. Neil, how was your spring break?
Horrible.
Why?
I want to jump off a bridge.
Why?
Yeah, we are living it up.
I'm gonna say my spring break was fun. I'm posting my Rosemary vlog today. What do you think?
Okay, so I saw this morning. I saw you in it and I was like, cute. It's really, really cute, but like you don't wear dresses.
No,
so
like ever.
It felt off.
Yeah, it is off.
It's really cute. I need to talk.
I feel very
You
uncomfortable.
look very sunny and it shows off your tan.
I'm like,
It's okay. It's a cute little line. You know, she looks fancy. How do I zoom?
hi Bella. Hi Sarah. Here you go. You can vlog now.
Alright guys, this is Van's vlog.
This is Caiti.
I'm not pregnant.
I would hope not. We're in an audio video now. Can you tell me what you think of my dress?
What I think of the dress?
Yeah, talk loud.
1 to 10, I'll give it an 8.
Uh-huh.
I'd probably say that it is a. It's different.
Because I don't wear dresses.
Yeah, it's different, but I like it. I like the color.
Really?
I'm not pregnant, but my stomach hurts.
Yeah, I'll definitely give this 8 out of 10. I
8?
like it.
Okay,
I do
I'll
like
take
it.
8 out of 10. I'm thinking more of like maybe like a 12 out of 10.
A 12! It's prom weekend. It is. I've been planning for prom since January. Tell them you're a junior. I'm a junior.
Hey guys, holy crap, I'm so attractive. I'm not pregnant, but I feel like I'm about to give birth to a baby because my stomach hurts and my body won't let me go poop. When really, I need to go poop, but my body won't let me go poop and I don't know what to do right now. I need to poop.
I'm scared for cheer tryouts. Cute.
Time to edit this vlog now. So I put my camera away, but I just changed. Basically, I have a white t-shirt and then shorts, but I'm covering it so you don't see my school. We have cheer tryouts now. I'm out of breath, but everybody just left me in the bathroom by myself. So I'm gonna go walk to the gym now. Can't record cheer tryouts, obviously, but we'll see what happens. So we just got out with cheer tryouts day 1. I'll update you guys more when I get home. Like I said, I'm sorry I'm vlogging on my phone, but I'm not about to whip out a camera. And yeah, but I'm waiting to be picked up, so. Hey y'all, so it is now officially 9:30 at night and that is the end of this school vlog. I basically just want to update you guys on cheer tryouts since I know a lot of people are gonna have questions. Cheer tryouts went really well actually for me the first day. I went in really excited but very nervous at the same time. They basically teach you like a bunch of 8 counts to a dance and a bunch of 8 counts to a cheer, and I picked up the dance really fast, so that's pretty easy for me. The cheer is like a really long one and it's not repetitive, so it's like harder to remember the words and the movements, but I've picked up on that too really fast and I've been practicing in my own room like right now. I had a pretty like rough night. I don't know, I've just been in a weird mood. I've been like kind of sad. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but I'm not feeling like my entire self, so I've just been kind of keeping to myself and just like practicing my cheers and editing this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing me vlog my first day back from spring break, and if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat, and all my other social media will be down below. Thank you guys so much for supporting me through this vlog channel journey. I posted my first video on this vlog channel, which is where Cole and I baked cookies, and y'all loved it and the feedback was amazing, and we've already hit 7,000 subscribers on this account, which is crazy because it took me 4 years to get to 1,000 on my main account, and in literally 3 days I hit 7,000. So I thank you guys so much for that and for supporting me, and even just talking about like having such an amazing fan base support me like makes me in a better mood than I already was before. You genuinely mean the world to me and I cannot thank you enough, and I know I say that all the time, but I don't know any way else to put it because I mean it a lot. So thank you for every opportunity you provide for me and everything that you do for me. I love you with my whole entire heart. Also, I think I'm gonna post this vlog on Wednesday of this week. Like I said, I'm filming this on Monday, but I actually just hit 70,000 subscribers on my main account. I cannot believe that 70,000 people want to subscribe to my channel on my main account, Katie's Corner. So thank you to everybody that supports me on that channel, and I love you guys so much. With all that being said, I will see you guys in my next vlog, and I hope you have an amazing day, night, morning, evening, whatever is going on. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.